In this week's tutorial, we're going to be having a look at editing MIDI, both in the Arrange window and in the piano roll down at the bottom of the screen. Okay, we're going to start by doing some editing in the Arrange window, where you'll be using these tools up here. As we go along, I'll be explaining what each of them do and giving examples of how you could use them. The first thing to note is you've got two menus exactly the same just there. The first one is accessed just by your normal left click on a mouse. The second one, once you've chosen your tool, to access it, hold down the command key on your keyboard, and as you can see there, it just pops up. For this tutorial, I'm only going to have a look at the four main edit tools. It'll be the pencil, eraser, scissors and glue. We'll start off with the pencil. This just allows you to draw audio regions and MIDI regions anywhere in the Arrange window. The eraser lets you erase them all, and you can even erase stuff that you've already edited. The scissors just let you chop stuff up anywhere, and then you can play around by just moving bits where you want to move them, and just changing it all. And the glue just lets you put it all back together, like so. Now we're going to have a bit more of an in-depth look at editing MIDI. We're going to start off by having a look at the drum beat we made the other day. So if you double click on it, it'll bring up the piano roll box down at the bottom. So let's just make this a bit bigger, get rid of all the presets and just drag it up. There we go. And as you can see, there's our drum beat. This window allows you to edit all your MIDI notes separately and independently, unlike the Arrange window where it's edited as regions. On the left hand side you've got your piano roll, and along the top, like in the Arrange window, you've got all the beats and bars of the track. I'm just going to go through some of the functions of this window. First thing I'm going to have a look at is quantize. So as you remember me saying in the last tutorial, the drum beat, because it was played in real time, was slightly out of time. This is the window where you can correct that. So here are all your quantize settings. You can have a play around with these and have a look in your own time, but for now I'm going to use 1/16. And to quantize the drum beat, all you need to do is select all of it and press the Q. Now when I press the Q, just watch as all the notes move bang onto each beat and bar. There we go. Let's have a listen and see how it sounds. That's so much better. Right, now we've got that sorted, we can start having a look at some of the other edit tools that are available in the piano roll. They're basically very similar to the Arrange window, same drop down menu, just with a couple of extra tools. So we'll have another look at the pencil. This is the tool that comes in handy if you don't have a MIDI keyboard. You can literally just draw notes in anywhere you like. It's quite a lengthy process, but again, if you don't have a MIDI keyboard, it's the only way to go about doing it. Same as the Arrange window, the erase just gets rid of every note. Scissors and glue do the same thing, but with each note, so you can split each note like that. Glue again will glue them back together. The only other one I want to point out that's slightly different in the piano roll is the velocity tool. It allows you to edit each velocity separately of each note. So just by clicking and dragging on each note, you can either make the velocity higher or lower, and it just gives all of your MIDI that humanised kind of feel.